Hello viewers, a lot of users missed the chance of buying iPad 10th generation in Flipkart Sale. New sale on iPad 10 will definitely come again. But in this video, I will talk about the base variant of iPad 10th generation which has only 64GB of internal storage. A lot of users want to know whether 64GB is good enough. When I unboxed the tablet, there was 48GB of internal storage free. The problem with iPad is that apps are well optimized, as a result of which they take up a lot of storage. And if you are an Android user, then you have to use a lot of Google apps like Chrome, Gmail, Google Meet or YouTube. The size of Google Chrome is about 186 MB. The size of Gmail is 584 MB, whereas YouTube app size is 274 MB. After few days, the size of these apps increase. Currently, you can see that they consume a lot of storage. But one thing I must admit that apps function very smoothly, so you have to download apps carefully to keep your internal storage free. Apart from storage, I don't think it has any flaw. Display is very good here. You can consume a lot of multimedia contents on YouTube, Netflix and Amazon Prime. On the software department, currently this tablet is running on iOS 17.5.1. Very soon it will get iOS 18. The battery backup of this tablet is also very good. You can expect 7 hours plus screen on time from this tablet on a single charge. Plus you will get 20-watt charger along with this tablet inside the box. So finally, in the conclusion, you have to decide whether you can manage 64GB version. Other than that, you can also buy Android tablets with 128GB of internal storage. But if you want to multitask on your tablet, play games on your tablet and have a good battery life, and also want regular software updates, in that case iPad is the best choice for you. Before buying any tablet, you have to set your priorities, and as per your requirements you have to buy tablets. If you are from an Android ecosystem, you may buy Android tablet, but if you have iPhone or MacBook, in that case iPad is a must for you. If you don't have any iOS device, still iPad 10 is a very good device to buy. What's your thought regarding this tablet? Share your thoughts in the comment sections below. Hope this video has helped you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.